How to make skin whitening and wrinkle removal by yogurt mask. Every woman wants to have fair and tight skin. The signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines make your look older, and the dark color of your skin takes of your beauty. This is the reason that you all want to have fair and tight skin. In the video below, I am going to share with you the recipe to make the best skin whitening and wrinkle removal yogurt mask at home. This mask cures all of your skin issues, and it suits skin of all types. So, make and use it and have beautiful skin. How to get white and tight skin with this mask. To make natural mask at home for skin fairness and to remove all dark spots and ugly marks from your skin, the ingredients you need are: Ingredients: lemon juice, 1 to 2 spoons. Cream, 2 spoons. Banana, 2. Rose water, 1 spoon. Salt, 1 pinch. Yogurt, 1 spoon. Cinnamon powder, 1 spoon. Procedure: take a clean bowl, and in it, add 1 to 2 spoons of lemon juice. After this, add 2 spoons of any cream of your choice. Next, add paste of 2 bananas in it. After this, add 1 spoon of rose water. Next, add 1 pinch of salt. After this, add 1 spoon of yogurt. Next, add 1 spoon of cinnamon powder. Blend all the ingredients well, and you will get the best skin whitening and wrinkle removal yogurt mask ready for use. How to use: apply the mask to your skin, and massage with it well. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Wash it off when it gets dry. Use the mask daily for permanent results. This homemade skin whitening and wrinkle removal yogurt mask is easy to make and use. It is natural, and purifies your skin. So, make and use this mask to have fair, fresh, tight and glowing skin.